Best gaming HDMI cables ensure ultra-fast transmission, 4K clarity, low latency, stable connection, and immersive, lag-free gaming performance experience overall. My today's video is about top 5 best gaming HDMI cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Fusion 8K Certified HDMI 2.1 cable. This certified HDMI 2.1 ultra-high-speed cable delivers cutting-edge performance for gaming, streaming, and home theater setups. With 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it supports 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz/144 Hz, and even 10K resolution for future-ready visual clarity. Dynamic HDR, Dolby Vision, and advanced color processing ensure deeper contrast, brighter highlights, and cinematic realism. For gamers, VRR, LLM, FreeSync Premium Pro, and QFD enable ultra-smooth, tear-free, and low-latency gameplay on PS5, Xbox Series X, and PC. eARC support delivers Dolby Atmos and DTS X audio for immersive, theater-like sound quality. It is universally compatible with TVs, consoles, streaming devices, projectors, and AV receivers. Braided nylon build, 24K gold-plated connectors, and triple shielding ensure durability and stable, interference-free signals. Overall, it is a premium, future-proof HDMI solution for high-performance entertainment systems. Ideal for users who demand reliability, speed, and visual excellence. This cable enhances every viewing experience from gaming battles to 8K movie streaming without lag or signal loss at all times in real-world usage performance results. Now our second product is Silklan Certified HDMI 2.1 cable. This HDMI 2.1 certified cable delivers a premium, future-ready experience for gaming and home entertainment. With official certification, verifiable via QR scan, it stands out in a market where only a small fraction meets true HDMI 2.1 standards, ensuring authenticity and performance reliability. Designed for high-performance gaming, it supports 4K at 120 Hz on PS5 and Xbox, and ultra-smooth 4K at 144 Hz for PC, offering responsive, tear-free gameplay when games support it. The 48 gigabits per second bandwidth enables ultra-fast data transfer, unlocking advanced resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz and even 10K output for next-generation displays. Its exclusive E-braid construction combines double-layer nylon braiding, copper cores, and ferrite beads to enhance durability while minimizing signal loss, flickering, and black screens. Dynamic HDR brings deeper contrast and lifelike visuals, while Dolby Atmos, DTS, X and eARC support deliver immersive cinematic sound. Overall, it is a robust, high-end HDMI solution built for gamers and cinephiles seeking maximum clarity, stability, and long-term performance across all modern devices. Our third product is Hiwing's 8K, 10K, 4K HDMI cable. This 8K ultra-high-speed HDMI cable delivers next-generation performance designed for both entertainment and competitive gaming. Supporting 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, it ensures ultra-sharp detail, smooth motion, and precise signal handling, making every frame appear more realistic and immersive. With a powerful 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it eliminates lag, stuttering, and frame drops, while maintaining full backward compatibility with older HDMI standard for wide device support. For gamers, the cable enhances responsiveness with 4K at 120 Hz output and variable refresh rate support, allowing GPUs and CPUs to perform at their full potential. This results in smoother gameplay, reduced tearing, and improved visual clarity in fast-paced scenes. Built with military-grade nylon braiding and reinforced anti-bending protection, it offers exceptional durability and long-term reliability. Each component is rigorously tested in laboratory conditions, ensuring stable performance under heavy use. Overall, this HDMI cable combines speed, strength, and precision, making it a dependable choice for high-end gaming and 8K entertainment setups. Now number 4, Condex 16K HDMI 2.2 cable 6.6 feet. The Condex 16K HDMI cable is built with a clear focus on solving real-world stability issues rather than just upgrading specifications. Unlike typical cables that struggle with flickering, black screens, or VRR drops under heavy bandwidth loads, this cable is engineered for consistent signal integrity. It minimizes HDMI handshake failures, ensuring a stable and uninterrupted viewing experience even during demanding gaming or streaming sessions. For audio performance, it fully supports eARC with Dolby Atmos and DTS. Addressing common problems like audio dropouts and lip-sync delays often seen with weaker HDMI connections. This makes it highly reliable for soundbar and home theater setups. Designed for next-gen gaming, it handles 4K at 120Hz and 8K at 60Hz smoothly, maintaining VRR stability for PS5, Xbox Series X, and high-end PCs. Its backward compatibility ensures easy integration with older and newer devices alike. Built with 30 AWG copper, triple shielding, braided nylon, and gold-plated connectors, it is made for long-term durability. Backed by 10+ years of expertise, it delivers professional-grade reliability for gaming and entertainment ecosystems. And our last choice is a Blooker 10K 8K 4K HDMI cable 48 gigabits per second 15 feet. This officially HDMI certified cable delivers a true high-end performance experience built for next-generation gaming and cinematic entertainment. With compliance to strict HDMI forum standards, it guarantees authenticity and stable high-bandwidth transmission, supported by a massive 48 gigabits per second data rate and ultra-low 0.01 milliseconds response for near-instant signal delivery. The IT is packed with advanced technologies including ALLM, VRR, QMS, QFD, Dynamic HDR, HDR10+, and Visa DSC 1.2a, ensuring smoother gameplay, reduced latency, and flawless adaptive synchronization. For visuals, it supports up to 10K at 60Hz, 8K at 60Hz, and ultra-high refresh rates like 4K at 240Hz, delivering exceptional clarity, deep color accuracy, and fluid motion across all resolutions. Audio performance is equally premium, supporting eARC, Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and Dolby True HD for immersive, theater-grade sound. Wide compatibility covers PS5, Xbox Series X/S, RTX GPUs, OLED TVs, Apple TV, projectors, and more. Overall, it is a future-ready HDMI solution combining certified reliability, extreme bandwidth, and elite gaming and home theater performance in one cable. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.